Hey artist friends, do you like puppets like I do? Well, today I'm going to go watch some friends make a dragon puppet. It moves in the middle, but you can make it anything you want. Why don't you come on along? Okay, before we go and watch our friends, here are some of the supplies that you're going to need to make your own puppet. You're going to need some cardstock or thick paper to draw a head and a tail on, and some sticks to hold those. You're going to need scissors and tape, something fun to decorate with, either markers or crayons or watercolors or paint. Fun paper for the center of the body. We're using all those extra painted papers that we made. A googly eye if you have it, but you can always paint one on. Let's go see them make it. Well, that looks fun. What will you make? Will you make a dragon, a dog, a cat? Oh, maybe a lion with a long tail. I'm sure it'll be amazing. Thanks for playing, friends. I hope you had fun, and see you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please visit our website and remember to like and subscribe. Thanks. See you next time.